What's up, guys? It's Outdoor Living and Fishing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to launch a mechanical pencil. So it has to be this certain type. The thing that you can like hold it on right here broke. This kind. The reason it doesn't is because this cap, like, you don't screw it on, you like to get it on pretty good. So all you have to do, just take the pencil, push down really hard on it, like that, and then shoots the top off. We'll demonstrate one more time. It's kind of hard to put back on. So yeah, all you do is just go. And it'll shoot pretty hard. You can also shoot at something. You don't have to go on a table, you can just it's pretty cool. So if you have a mechanical pencil like this, just it doesn't really hurt, but it can go pretty high. It hits my ceiling easily. So yeah, thanks for watching.